Hey everybody, let's take a look at openings today. So when you're creating a building that has a lot of openings, sometimes it can get confusing. And then the customer changes things, move things around, and it's in those changes and edits that oftentimes mistakes are made. So let's have a look at one of those typical mistakes and what can be done about it. So I'm going to add a window here. So I'm using framing only, window, and I'm going to make it 3 foot wide and 2 foot deep. I'm going to click OK, and I'm going to put it up in this space here. But I have a specific height that I want to put it at, and so I'm going to right click on it, and you can see that at the moment it's 14 foot 3 3/4, and I want to make it 15 foot. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come through here and I delete it and I go 15 foot. And you can see that I've forgotten to delete the one. So now I'm actually 115 foot. But in my speed and my haste to get it done, where's my window gone? I've lost my window. Now, your window is actually 115 foot in the air. And if we scroll out, there we go, there's the window. But when you're looking at the screen and you're in a hurry, you can't see it for looking. So you'll calc the building, assuming that perhaps after the calc, the window will appear where you've put it. And what we find, however, is that instead we get a warning to tell us that there is a window in that bay, but because we're in a hurry, we don't read the entire warning to tell us that it's actually 99 foot 3 inches above. And even if we do read it, we don't necessarily grasp what that means. So what do we do about that? We've got a window warning, but there's no window. How do I deal with it? You can come up to Windows, Openings, and out will pop a box which will have all of the openings in the building. And if you look at this, we know we're on sidewall B, or we're actually on sidewall B because it's the main building. So let's come down and find something on sidewall B. Here we go. Center of Bay 4 on sidewall B. Oh, look at this, height off the slab, 115 foot. So we can just click on that window, remove that opening, and we're good to go. Let's recalc that, and we'll see that that warning will disappear. And then we can go about putting the window back in how we want it to. Of course, I could have just edited that window in that in the Windows openings file as well. If I click on a window and then go edit opening, I can edit it at that point and adjust the height, the width, the distance from the edge of the boundary, etc., etc. So I hope that's some help today for when you get those window warnings that are just confusing you a little much. Of course, always you can send your tickets through to support, and support will be able to help as well. ACT Building Systems, making cold form buildings easy. Thank you.